work.
That's a wonder. Very nice. Very nice. Nice and clean. Better than the used to look like.
Oh,
We didn't see you there.
yeah, almost.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Oh. Yeah, welcome to the little nook in the garden, I guess.
Yeah, the little corner that we cleaned up. But yeah, we just want to say welcome and to our channel once again. And today we've got something different from the ceiling. And yeah,
Yeah, we did some volunteering for a school, and they came to us and asked if we would be able to clean this whole place for them. It's a very big place, but it has a lot of work to do, so we said yes, we will do it, because why not? It's out of the kindness of our hearts that we've decided yes, we will help them clean this place up and make it nice again.
yeah, and like you'll see in all the videos that still to come, and the overflow videos, especially this piece behind the house, like our little peace corner, like we call it,
Yeah,
because it's nice, quiet with all the trees here, providing nice shade. But yeah, like I said, you'll see the videos, all the work we've done so far, and how far along we've come. But yeah, we're coming here once a week, we try to come more than once a week, but yeah, unfortunately our schedules are quite tight, and obviously we still got the ceiling going at the same time, so between this and the ceiling it's getting kind of a bit hectic. But yeah, like you can see, I know it doesn't look like we've done much, but you guys will see in the before video the spot behind us. Like for example, you won't even say there was a tree here, and you'll see in the before videos when you approach this piece, it doesn't even look like there's a garden here, it just looks like grass. When we saw it from afar, we thought it was like a normal, just a piece of grass, and then when we came here we saw now it's actually a garden that's just much overgrown, similar to the one we're doing now, but not as much. But yeah, you got anything to say, Ingo?
Yeah, no, we did a lot of work, and as you will see in the before of this little piece of garden that we did, we took on a lot of grass and overgrown things, plants and things that were not supposed to be there, but we did, when we were finished, we were actually very surprised to find there was a pretty large garden to be found here. But you will see in the videos we will be posting, we had done a lot, and there's much more to come because this place is very big. We will do a walkthrough with you in one of the videos to show you how big this place really is, and then you can see the before and afters at end of all the videos, and just know that's gonna take some time. But like William said, yeah, we do have a tight schedule, and we try to come more than once a week, but we push through it and we do it. So yeah.
Yeah, in the last few days we've had rain as well, so obviously you can't do gardening in the rain.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're quite excited, both me and Intel, to take you along on this journey. And yeah, leave your thoughts and comments in the comments below, and yeah, feel free to ask anything you're wondering about, and like, yeah, after the walkthrough video you guys are more than welcome to comment for fun and say how long you guys guess it's gonna take. Bear in mind we say once a week, so obviously if you say a week it will be in real time, it will be like a month because it's once a week, so it's like 4 or 5 weeks there.
Yeah.
But we won't count it as 5 weeks, we'll count it as 5 days, but it means it was over a period of a month. So yeah, we like it, and yeah, we quite hope you enjoy it.
And like we will see you in the next video.
Yeah, in the next video, and stay along, and hope the videos doesn't get boring, and please, any suggestions,
Leave it down in the comments. And
anything you think we can do better, or any advice. We are a small channel, we are starting off, so
any advice you can give, we will take it.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video.
And remember to subscribe and follow and leave a like.
Yeah, cheers on that one.